Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, DGL-760, 60 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Deglycyrrhizinated Licorice to support a healthy digestive system. Premium vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. DGL-760 is deglycyrrhizinated licorice root extract, which has been used in traditional herbal medicine to help support a healthy stomach lining. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule 2 times a day without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: capsule, hypromellose and purified water, and maltodextrin. AOR guarantees all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if seal under cap is broken. Store in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, or are taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Note: product appearance, odor and taste may vary from lot to lot due to the use of national ingredients. In keeping with our highest standards, no masking agents have been used to alter the product's characteristics. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.